Hey y'all, Flying High Five here. Seriously, this is going to be the last one for the night, I swear. So, anyways, I got this all, I don't know how well you can see it there. I got it all fitted up pretty good and tacked on. So, this is just going to be some welding, I figured out a good technique for this. And kind of what you do is as you're pulling the trigger, you come up with a little phrase. It's about as long as you need your bead to be. So listen closely. I think you'll like this one. And what I figured is I can use this phrase, and then I let go of the trigger, like get the power out of my welding gun here, and then wait until my welding helmet here comes back on so that I can see. Move it just a little, and then I hit the power again using my key phrase. So I'm gonna weld across here between these two tacks. So listen carefully. You'll enjoy this one. Go something like this. Keystone light. 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 And you get a pretty good bead going across there. All you got to remember is your keystone light. You know, that's key really in any garage. I'm going to let that cool down here. I'm going to take a quick break. It's always important never to have open food or drink in work areas, industrial work areas, you know. I don't want any contaminants getting in your food or nothing and messing anything up. Also, proper welding equipment. I think these have the extra grip, so when you're out there welding, you can hold on to your equipment. Yeah. After I burned my left hand, I don't know if you can see it there. Probably can't see it there. Here, hold on. See if I get better shot of it. See that hand all burned up there pretty good, especially my middle finger right there. Got it burned up pretty good. After that, I've been wearing a welding glove on my left hand. Very important though. Don't want to burn down the garage and don't want to hurt yourself. All right, back at it. I don't know if y'all are getting anything besides the back of my welding helmet, but we'll see when we go to post it, right? As you might see, I'm kind of twisting my head off to the side. Basically, these shop lights are so bright they're activating my helmet. It makes it kind of a pain to weld, but they're bright enough that I can see, so can't complain too much, right? Had to fill in a little goober there. Let's get this closer. I think you guys are just seeing the back of my head, which is not all that interesting to watch when you're trying to watch some welding going on. This may actually be decent. not good. I'll grind that off later. There's another one of those places where I've kind of burned through a little bit, so I'm go ahead and clean it up just a touch so I get a good contact and see what I got. And that weld looks like crap. Oh well, started off good, right? It's a little warm. All right, what do you think? Other than that, wasn't a chipping hammer that I was using. Body shaping hammer, you know, right tool for the right job all the time. Anyways, I'll get this cleaned up and, well, heck, we might have enough time left. This is going to be like 45 minutes of video that I'm going to post today. More than I've posted in like probably a month. Son of a... And yes, safety first. I think I need about 3 more extension cords here on the ground that I can trip over. Probably a 200 amp brake route here. Alright, it's going to get loud. Hold your ears. have one of them fancy quick changes on my camera, so hang tight. Alright, here it is all cleaned up. Let's get this so you can actually focus. And this camera doesn't have an autofocus. There it goes. Except for that little blotch right there, it actually looks pretty good. That looks a little cold, but guys, from what I've been told, zoom out here, you can tell it's cold because it looks like it's kind of sitting on the surface. As long as it holds fuel, I don't really care, but I do want it to be semi-structural sound, but looks pretty good. Alright. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.